welcome to Fun Food Fashion, another episode, another new recipe. And today I'm going to make my favorite Bengali dish, that is Chingri Macher Malaikari. Yes, aren't you guys excited? So basically it's an authentic Bengali recipe which I'm going to share with you. So without further saying, let's get started. But hit the subscribe button if you are new and press the bell icon so that you get all the notification of my further video, and hit the like button, give big thumbs up, and also share and comment. So without further saying, let's get started and make Chingri Macher Malaikari. For making Chingri Macher Malaikari, first I am going to make the coconut milk from the scratch, because in Chingri Macher Malaikari we need some coconut milk. This is the specialty, or this is the key ingredient of Chingri Macher Malaikari. So here I have taken one whole coconut. I recommend you to use tender young coconut and add half a cup of lukewarm water. Don't use cold water or boiling hot water, use lukewarm water. And you can see I have removed all the brown part from the coconut. Now in with the lid and grind it. So blitz and make a smooth paste, smoothie like consistency you will get within no seconds. Now take a strainer, and on that strainer place a cloth, and then I'm going to pour the mixture, and I'm going to squeeze out all the liquid. This liquid is very thick. This coconut milk is very thick. This is called the first press. For making second press, take the same coconut, add half a cup of lukewarm water, and you will get thin coconut milk, which is called second press. Now here I have taken some jumbo prawns or Golda Chingri, and I have put some skewers in them. It's totally optional. I want them straight. I want the prawn to stay straight. That's why I'm putting the skewers. Just from the head part, penetrate it throughout its length, like this. Throughout the length, press it. Press the skewer, and it's done. Cleaning the prawn is very important. Remove the head part and remove the vein present at the back, and it should be clean like this. I have removed the shell and only have the tail portion, but if you want, you can use the prawn with all the shell in. I am marinating it now with some salt and turmeric, and coat them in the salt and turmeric nicely, and it's done. Next, in a pan, I'm going to heat up 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. Make sure it's nice and smoky. Now I'm going to add the prawns one by one, and I'm going to cook them over medium flame for 30 seconds on each side. After 30 seconds, turn them over, and they are done. So remove them on a plate. They are done. You will understand when they will get opaque color from the translucent one. Now preserve this oil for later. Add some more mustard oil. I have added 1 tablespoon of mustard oil here and 1 tablespoon of ghee or clarified butter. Let it get melt. Now add 3 bay leaves or tej pata, 2 whole dried red chilies, 1 inch cinnamon stick, and 3 cardamom pods which I have grounded a little bit, and some 3-4 cloves, and fry them till they're aromatic. Now add 1 large onion paste, and over medium flame, cook them for 2 minutes. Next, add sugar, half a teaspoon of sugar. This will give it a sweeter taste and also caramelize color. Now add ginger paste, 1 tablespoon of ginger paste. Take it all out. Okay. Now mix them and cook for a minute as well. You need to brown the onion or caramelize the onion nicely, and also cook the ginger nicely so there is no rawness. Now add 2 to 3 green chilies slitted. We won't use more chilies. Now half a teaspoon of turmeric and fry them. Next, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. It's optional, it's for the color. Chingri Macher Malaikari tastes just a bit sweeter, so we don't use any more chili powder. So here I have taken 1/4 cup of water for braising the masala, or we call it koshano. Over low to medium flame, do it. Within like 2 minutes they will release oil like this. Next, add 50 grams of dahi or yogurt, which I have beaten so there is no lump. It should be smooth in texture. And over low flame you need to add the yogurt, otherwise it can curdle. So then cook for 2 minutes over low flame. Okay, now they are releasing some oil. Add just a little bit of water, 1/4 cup of water more, and to that I am going to add half a cup of thin coconut milk. This is the second pressed one. Okay, mix them over low flame. Next, add salt to taste and bring it to boil. When it's boiling over low flame, you need to bring them boil. I am going to add the fried prawns. Be gentle. Add all of them, and as well as add the juices. They have all the goodness and deliciousness in them, and cook them over medium flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Turn them in the middle so that all the portion get this nice juice inside them. Next, add garam masala. And half a cup of thick coconut milk. This is the first pressed coconut milk. Now mix them together and cook for another minute, and it's almost done. Lastly, add some ghee, 1 teaspoon of ghee. It's optional. So now, delicious, yummy, our favorite, you can call it Bengal's the most favorite dish, Chingri Macher Malaikari, is ready. For Bengalis, Chingri Macher Malaikari means heaven, and this piece of heaven is done. Place them over a plate one by one and pour the gravy, and serve this Chingri Macher Malaikari with some hot steamed rice, plain rice, nothing else. And here is the oil we have preserved. While you will serve the Chingri Macher Malaikari, serve this with this oil over it. Drizzle some oil over the Chingri Macher Malaikari while serving, and this will take the dish to the next level. So our Chingri Macher Malaikari is done. Enjoy your Chingri Macher Malaikari with some steamed hot rice, and let me know in the comment section whether you like it or not, and I'm sure your guest will just love this recipe. Let me know in the comment section below. And also don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel if you are new. Thank you.